Very hard to get reservations.
Why'd you take your shoes off, honey?
Can you wave? It's Thursday. This is Hollywood Studios day. We're off to the cafeteria, little quick service thing in the resort. We're gonna get some water, fill up, and then we have breakfast reservations. Having a great hair day. So second to last park day. Tomorrow we leave. So we're at Hollywood Studios today. My cousin Erin is coming from Jacksonville. Yeah, that was Scarlett's godmother, so she's coming. She's coming from Jacksonville to come meet us today at the park. So we're going to Hollywood Studios. I probably said that like 8 times already. Yeah, so it should be a good day. We have a 9:15 breakfast reservation at Topolino, so we're headed to the Skyliner to go over there now. This is my favorite restaurant, and I've only been here once, so this will be my second time. Very hard to get reservations. Luckily, my TA Tracy helped with that. My sister snagged the reservations last trip, so it was really fortunate that we were able to get reservations because it's really hard.
Hold on. Well, look here. Why'd you take your shoes off, honey? So cute, Brianna. Yeah. Hold your heart. Wow.
See? Don't have to do that. You get pictures.
Yeah, here. Daisy. Yeah. Sit up. Oh, yeah. She's finally like, okay, smile now. She's still a little scared. Oh, Mickey likes you. Is Mickey a good boy? Yay. Thank you. So we ended up with a Mickey balloon. We were just leaving breakfast at Topolinos, and
this guy, well actually Lucia was playing with somebody else's balloon, and so I'm like, oh, and that's not our balloon, and the guy said, oh, do you want it? Because we don't want it. So I'm like, oh yeah, we'll take it. So she's got a free balloon here. That's nice. Mickey Minnie.
No.
11:55. We're doing our first ride, Smuggler's Run.
Remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will. Good job, engineer. Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is. Oh, that is rough.
9%. It's 2 o'clock. We are here at Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Yeah. Can you wave? Say hi. She goes. 2:45. We have a lightning lane for Toy Story Mania. I just got a bug in my on my eye here right when we were like walking in, so I'm still like recovering. I feel like this whole trip I'm in blind and left, right eye, like no matter what. Aaron beat me. So it is just about 3 o'clock. Our next lightning lane doesn't open up for another hour. We're doing a bathroom break, and then we're gonna get a beer and probably a little snack, and then hopefully by that time it'll put us to our lightning lane.
Above one.
You may go.
Moment of truth. Alright. She's good? She's good. She's good? Yeah. Yay! 5:24. Aaron and Angela are on their way to Tower of Terrace, so we're gonna do rider swap. Thankfully the baby's sleeping, which I probably should have. I should have went first probably, since she's sleeping. Hopefully she doesn't wake up when it's their turn, but I know Aaron has this. So we're just gonna do some shopping and the air conditioning, and I'll just wait for the call when it's my turn.
So at this point, I stopped over at Baby Care to charge my phone and get some cool air. I felt so bad for Lucia. The Baby Center is a great resource for parents of babies and toddlers. You could feed them, change them, and they even have pretty much anything you could need if you ever run out or forget something. We concluded the night with watching fireworks on the Skyliner from overhead of Epcot. If you made it this far, I would really love it if you would stick around, give this video a like. It really does help support the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.